In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use animation presets in After Effects. If you're new to presets or just want a faster way to build animations, this walkthrough will help you get results quickly without reinventing the wheel. First, let's make sure the Effects and Presets panel is visible. At the top menu, go to Window, then choose Effects and Presets. If it's already checked, look for it docked on the right side of your workspace. This panel contains two things: individual effects, which are building blocks, and animation presets, which are pre-configured combinations of effects, keyframes, and settings. The search box at the top is your best friend here. When you type a keyword, After Effects filters both effects and presets, so you can jump straight to what you need. Now, let's browse the presets so you know what's available. In the panel, expand Animation Presets. You'll see categories like text, behaviors, and transitions. Text presets are designed specifically for text layers, while some behaviors and transitions can work on solids, shapes, or footage. Don't worry if you're not sure what to pick. Use the search bar and try keywords like fade, bounce, typewriter, or blur. Even the names are helpful clues about what each preset does. You can always test a few and undo if they're not the right fit. When you're ready to apply a preset, select the layer you want to animate in your timeline. This step is important. If no layer is selected, the preset may not apply where you expect. Now, drag a preset from the Effects and Presets panel directly onto the layer in the Composition viewer or onto the layer name in the timeline. As soon as you drop it, After Effects adds the relevant effects and keyframes to that layer. To see what changed, select the layer and press U on your keyboard to reveal animated properties. Play back your timeline to preview the result. From here, you can fine-tune. Open the Effect Controls panel to adjust any effect settings the preset added, or tweak the keyframes in the timeline to change timing and intensity. If the animation starts too early or too late, simply move the keyframes along the timeline. And if the preset looks too strong, dial back values like opacity, amount, or scale. Remember, presets are a starting point. You remain in control. That's it. With the panel open, a quick browse, and a simple drag and drop, you can build polished motion faster and focus on your creative ideas.